So in Claude, you may want to go ahead and quickly create out different sort of artifacts. So if you want to go ahead and do that, over here on the left hand side, you can click on Open Sidebar, and here you can see that artifacts is an option. So without having to give a detailed prompt, you can actually go around over here and then click on New Artifact right here, and there's different sort of artifacts that you can create, as you can see right here, like games, documents and templates, apps and website, productivity tools, start from scratch, and so forth. So you can even go ahead and create out from scratch. So let's just go ahead right here, and let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and click on apps and websites right here. So once I go ahead and do that, what happens is that it says great choice. What kind of app or website do you have in mind? So I'm going to go around and say budget tracking app right here. And then it says, what should it do to help people accomplish? Keep track of a daily budget. Let's say, for example, who is it for? So let's say I'm going to say for everyone right here. So I can simply go ahead and say, just like this, I'm going to say everyone, and I'm going to go ahead and hit send. So once you do that, what happens is that here's the plan for your budget tracking app. So the core feature will have a dashboard, add expense, category breakdown, there will be a transaction history, reset new day, and there's the design. So it says, does this look good for you? So I'm just going to go ahead and say good. You can make it. So I can simply go ahead and say this. And what it will do now is it'll go ahead and create out that particular app for me right here. So it comes under the chat itself. So this is just a shortcut so that without you having to type in the prompt in detail, it goes ahead and then starts creating the app. So it's creating the daily budget tracker, and you can see the code right here. So you need to go ahead and wait for a bit for the code to get completed. And then you can see that this is what it created for me. So it created my daily budget tracker. So I can go ahead and set it out right here. So now I can go ahead and reset out the day as well. I can go ahead and add an expense now. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say breakfast. Let's say I spent around $3 for it. You can go ahead and select category and add it, and you can see this right here. You can go ahead and, let's say, for example, say entertainment right here. And you can add in the amount right here, or utilize this arrow, go ahead and select out something like, let's say, for example, entertainment, add, and this is what you have. So it created this out, and if you want any more changes, like you want to make changes to its UI and so forth, you can go ahead and continue telling it to make the changes as you please. So that is basically how you can go ahead and quickly utilize out Artefact Creator right here. And then what you can do is you can publish and copy out the link right here. You can copy out the link right here just like this. And as you do that, let's say, for example, if I were to access out this artifact, you can see that it says Claude right here, and then the artifact is live right here. So you can go ahead and share this out with others. You can go ahead and click on customize and then customize this artifact. So this actually opens up Claude right here, and others are allowed to go ahead and then make changes to the artifact as well. So you can go ahead and quickly make out artifact and even publish it out using Claude.ai just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.